Okay, so for these numbers, think I'm gonna make some another integers, and one is car so number, and the other one is car so price. And okay, here car so number starts from 0, and the car so price starts from 10. Okay, so then yeah, inside of this castle case, so now we set the price for this castle, and the initial price is 10. So let's make an if statement here, and the cookie counter castle price. So if cookie counter is equal or more, then you can get to this castle. So here, and also this means you just purchased this castle. So let's reduce the price from this cookie counter. Call cookie counter minus castle price. And also let's increase the price of this castle. So every time you buy this castle, the price increases. So castle price equal castle price. You can set whatever you want, but I'm gonna set this 5 plus 5. And also update this counter label. Set text cookie counter plus cookies. So subtract the price from this cookie counter. And also, when you bought this castle, then we want to increase this number. So castle number plus 1, basically. And update this number. So bottom one dot set text, and like this castle plus castle number plus so like this. Okay, let's check this. Okay, so if you click this castle, nothing happens because you need 10 cookies to buy this castle. So okay, let's get some cookies, and let's click this. Okay, so now you got 1 castle, and you just lost 10 cookies, and per second 0. Okay, I forgot to change this to 1F. Anyway, so yeah, you can increase, and 2. And now so the price is, we are not displaying any like description text right now, but the price is increasing. So now even if you click this, you cannot buy castle, because the price is right now is 20 or something. So you need 20 cookie, to buy a new castle. And the next step is, okay, then let's make this description text. Okay, then again, inside of this UI method, jPanel, like a message panel or something, equal new jPanel, message panel dot set bounds, and I'm gonna set this as 500, 70, 250, and 150. Panel set background, okay, black, and okay, add this panel to window. message panel. And on this panel, we're gonna place a JText area. So declare it here, JText area, and name this message text, and import. Okay. So initialize this message text equal new JText area, message text set bounds. Basically, it's same as this panel. So 250 and 150. No, sorry, this is not 250 but 150. And message text set foreground. This is font color white. Message text set background black. And also set font. And this time, let's use smaller font 2. And also, since this can display multiple lines, so I think it would be nice if we set this line wrap true. And also this set wrap style word, and this is also true. And maybe it would be nice to add this one too, set editable first, so you cannot edit the text inside of this JText area. And finally, add this text area to this message panel. Okay. So we have created this text area around here. So now we want to display these kind of descriptions text here. So in this program, so if you mouse over on these buttons, it shows some description texts like this. And if you move your mouse from the button, then it disappears. So to do this, we're gonna use mouse listener class. So okay, after this one, public class. So let's make, I'm gonna name this as mouse handler, but you can choose whatever name you want. And improvements mouse listener, and import this, and okay, and here we're gonna type like a usual format for this mouse listener. It's gonna take a while to type everything, but okay, just a moment. Whew, okay, and import this mouse event. Okay, and this time we only use these two methods, mouse entered and mouse exited. But still, you have to type everything like this, otherwise it gives you an error. So first, this mouse entered. So basically this means when mouse entered to somewhere, or mouse is placed on some object. And this time we're gonna use these 4 buttons. So to do that, first type like this, J button and button equal bracket J button E dot get source. So this determines which buttons you placed your mouse on. And next is we're gonna create if statement, and if button equal button 1, then let's display some text on this message text label. So set text, and here, so we're gonna display a description text for this cursor. So cursor, and /n, and price, and but price is, we're gonna use this variable cursor price, and plus a line break here, and alt clicks once every 10 seconds. And also, okay, yeah, and I forgot something. We need to add this mouse listener to these 4 buttons. So let's instantiate mouse handler, name this m handler or something, equal new mouse handler, and let's add this mouse handler to these 4 buttons. Button 1, add mouse listener, and m handler. So just copy this, and button 2, add mouse listener, and button 3, mouse listener, and button 4, no, not button 3, but button 4. Okay, so now these 4 buttons respond to your mouse movement. Let's check this. Okay, so if you mouse over this button, okay, so it displays this description text. So you can just add other button descriptions as well, like this. Else if button equal button 2, let's copy this, and okay, then this item is currently locked. Okay, let's copy this, and so button 3 and button 4. Okay, so this one and this one, and yeah, so other 3 buttons are locked. And also let's use this mouse exited method as well. So if your mouse cursor left from these buttons, then these texts disappears. So okay, let's copy this here as well, and if button equal button 1, then this message text is null, and else copy this 3, 4. Okay, button 2, button 3, button 4. Okay, so yeah, this mouse exited method is done. So now when you move the mouse cursor, then the description disappears. Okay, and we are almost finished. One thing left to do is unlock the next item, this grandpa. So when your cookie number hits 100, then this item gets unlocked. So to do that, type something inside of this timer this time. So as long as this timer is activated, this increases this cookie number every timer speed second. So we can use this and check if the cookie number hits 100 or not. And so if grandpa unlocked equal false. So if grandpa is not unlocked yet, and if another if cookie counter is bigger or equal bigger than or equal to 100, then yeah, let's unlock this grandpa. Unlock equal true. And also, so right now this button 2 text is just question. So but instead let's set some text on this button. So grandpa, and probably we should add number as well. So grandpa number. Okay, yeah, like this. And finally, so we are almost done with this program, I think. And also let's add a little more to this cursor. So if you click this cursor when you don't have enough cookie to buy this, then yeah, let's display something. So this if is so if you have enough cookie to buy this, but if you don't have enough cookie, so else, that means let's display some text. You need more cookies. Okay, and so cursor is done. Break. And another case, and this time grandpa, and basically we can copy this and change a little bit. Okay, and not cursor price but grandpa price, and this is also grandpa price, and cursor not cursor grandpa price, and this time not +5 but +50. So every time you buy grandpa, the price increases by 50. And okay, cookie counter, this is okay as it is. And also this is not cursor number but the grandpa number plus. And also this is not button 1 but button 2, and grandpa. And also this per second. So if you buy 1 grandpa, then it increases this per second by not 0.1 but by 1. It is 10 times faster. And also, so inside of this mouse entered method, and button 2, if grandpa unlocked equal false. So if grandpa is still locked, then yeah, display this text, but else. So this means grandpa is already unlocked. Then let's display some description text of grandpa. So grandpa line break and the price, grandpa price, line break again, and each grandpa produces 1 cookie per second. Okay. And also let me change this from 2F to 1F. Okay. And okay. And sorry, I forgot one more thing. So also we want to update this cursor price and the grandpa price. So when you click to this cursor button or grandma button, so not only updating this cursor number, but this cursor price as well. And okay, so let's copy this for grandpa as well. So message text. Okay, so yeah, I think this is done. So let's check the program. So first, yeah, you can see these descriptions. And you cannot buy this yet. You need more cookies. So let's increase some cookies and buy this. Okay, price increases to 15, and now we have one castle. And per second 0.1. So okay, so let's increase some cookies and get 100 cookies. All right, let's see. Yeah, so we just unlocked another item, grandpa. And we can, oh, wait a minute. Didn't update it, this number. Maybe I made some mistake around here. No, this is, wait a minute. Maybe, okay. I didn't change this action command from cursor to grandpa. So yeah, let me change this to grandpa. And also change this. This is not a cursor price, and grandpa. Yeah, this is what happened when you copy everything. Okay, let's get 100 cookies. Okay, so we just unlocked grandpa. Okay, let's buy grandpa. Okay. So now we have one grandpa and 3 cursors. So I think it's working. So that's everything about how to make a simple cookie clicker game. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and thanks for watching, and see you again.